Alright guys, so this is our Super Duty high idle kit for the 2017 and up Ford F-250s, 350s, 450s, and 550s. We're in the passenger side. You're basically going to pull this panel off right here on the kick panel. And then you're looking for this pigtail that has all the loose wires on it right here. Sometimes it's a little higher up, but it's usually hanging right here by the BCM. So just go ahead and unhook that. And then you take ours and plug it in, zip tie this over, and you're good to go. Alright, so the high idle is in. The way to set this is you push the emergency brake down. It does not have to be like crammed to the floor, it just has to be engaged. We're going to go ahead, start it with the key. You'll see in here the idle ramp up to 1400 RPM. This will not do it upon a cold start. As you can see right here, the engine and transmission temperatures need to meet a specific safe operating requirement before high idle is engaged. So if your car sits outside all night, super cold, it's not going to immediately kick into high idle mode when you remote start it or start it with a key. So that was with a key start. So now I'm going to go ahead, emergency brake is still pushed. We're going to hit, on this one we actually got the no honk, so it's lock, unlock, lock. We're going to give it a second and you will hear the high idle ramp up, even though the tack and whatnot does not display. Oops, there we go. Push the wrong button there. So you'll hear it here. And we're up to 1400 RPM. So if you guys have a really cold environment, you can enable the high idle kit. You can remote start it in the morning, and then once your engine and transmission temperature reach safe operating temperatures, you can the high idle will kick in. Here's our instruction sheet. This will outline the installation, the operation, and then we also have what's going to cancel or disable it, what conditions must be met for the high idle to work, and then the application up here for the vehicles.